I would highly recommend partnering with Citation. If you're an association out there, they offer your members huge benefits. BICSc work with partners in the HR and health and safety compliance space because it's not our area of expertise. We get a lot of our customers coming to us asking us to help them out in those areas, and for us it makes sense for us to partner with somebody that has that expert knowledge that can give them that information rather than us giving them the best knowledge we've got, which won't be complete. We did a lot of research into who we could partner with, what they could offer, and Citation came out best on our criteria list. We've been partners now for over 10 years and it's proven very successful and we've stayed there. BICSc members benefit from the partnership because first of all, they have the ability to talk to you for some initial advice, both on the HR and the health and safety side of things. But more importantly than that, Citation regularly supply BICSc with information about changes in the marketplace, what's happening with health and safety, new legislation. The partnership between BICSc and Citation works very well for us. We have a partnership manager, Nigel Lee, who we deal with, we can check in with regularly. We hold events, Citation supply us with speakers for those events, whether it's on health and safety, HR, ISO, cybersecurity. There's always somebody that Citation are able to supply to actually speak at those events, and Citation are one of our sponsors of our annual awards. In fact, they've been the headline sponsor now for quite a number of years and are a key part of our award ceremony every year. I would highly recommend partnering with Citation. If you're an association out there, they offer your members huge benefits in terms of the knowledge around ISO, health and safety, HR. So it really does help you with your business requirements and your legal requirements. Plus they're a great bunch of people to work with.